Hey guys, welcome to fifth episode of Stupid Premier League.
We'll talk anything and everything about IPL here. Today, we are going to talk about Kolkata Knight Riders. What do you think about Kolkata's batting and how much should you rate it?
So when we talk about KKR batting, they have very good players, but they took lot of opening batsmen. So for that, I'll give 8.
Okay, I think I'll go for a 6. I think there's just too much dependency on one player. Overall, I think they'll just crumble. What do you think about their bowling?
So they have very good bowling unit. So I can give 8.5.
Okay, I think they're just good with spinners. They have Narayan and Chakravarti. Other than that, I think they'll struggle in bowling department as well. I'll give it a 7. Who do you think the top 3 performers will be?
So for me, top 3 performance: Varun, Narain, and then Venkatesh Iyer.
Okay, for me it's Varun, Narain, and Rinku Singh. And where do you think they'll be on the table?
So they will be in fourth or fifth position. They have very good experienced captain.
Okay, I think they'll be at the ninth position. I think there's just too many inconsistent players in the team. Thank you. This has been it. How much would you rate KKR out of 10? Comment down below. Thank you.
Thank you.